say snow. Yes. But we'll dress up like we'll enjoy snow, huh?
I want to build on one for a long time.
We're gonna build a snowman, right? We're gonna build a snowman?
Yeah, we're gonna build a snowman!
Do you wanna build a snowman? Do you? Okay, let's do it. It's snowing! Ooh, finally! It's snow! Oh my god! Was that loud? Nah, that wasn't loud. Ah, snow baby. Yes. 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 Ba-ba-da-bum. Come to mommy. This ain't the sun though. This ain't the sunshine state. They told me this is not the shoes you wear for snow, but I don't know. I'm from Florida, guys. What do I know? Hey there! Hey there! Hey, you there! Mes prescriptions, mes médicaments. Moi retourner avec une dose pour vin prendre dose par là. Bienvenue sur channel moi. Si c'est première fois que vous regardez, non moi c'est Nizia Long. Si c'est une autre fois vous retournez, merci de ce que vous retournez pour venir regarder une autre vidéo de Nizia Long. Vidéo aujourd'hui son bagay différent. C'est un petit vlog lié, ok? Je nou wè a, mwen deyo a nan yon snow, ok? Ma pren yon snow deyo a. And I love it. I love it. Ti vlog jodi a, c'est yon ti vlog pou m vin di nou, c'est première fois ma pren snow jodi a, pou mwen montre nou experience lan, ok? Première fois ma pren snow. So, même que neige a pas en pile jodi a, parce que yo dit que neige la pas fort jodi a, son ti farina qui gagne. I don't care. I don't care. You see this? You see this? Those are snowflakes. Snowflakes. That means it's snowing. Okay. That means it's snowing. So, anyways, that's what it is. So mwen vin la pou mwen montre nou jan mwen ap enjoy snow a. Mwen gen presyon ke mwen ka gen grip pita. But who cares? Moun yo di ke mba vin avek boot pou Freddy. Yo di boot sa pa boot Freddy liye, se boot ou mette nan Florida. This is so icy. So that is so light. She's right. That is light. Okay, guys. Clearly, I need some company, right? Ba-da-ba. But it's snowing. But it's snowing. But it's snowing. Ba-da-ba. Okay, lie again, please. Ice. Now we're talking. Now I can take this and throw at somebody. Not really. Not really. Not really. Do you want to build a snowman? Do you want to build a snowman? Yes. I don't think these gloves are helping. My hands are freezing. Mbaka gloves sa rapi dem vre. Mem fret. Tako an glace. Oh, yes. Come to me, baby. Vini. 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 Ah. Okay, fine, guys. This whole video is just gonna be this. I don't care. I don't care. Sell that video, Abby, okay? So, feels like Christmas. This is a nice neighborhood. Like, Kayo paraît différent. vraiment différent. But honestly, guys, we're pas là-dedans pour mal faire même chaud parce que je me sens qu'il y a freeze en pile. On va le faire au chaud. Toujours. Look at it. Look at the snowflakes. Regardez snow sous dos yeux. Neige. So, mais en frais en pile. So, on va le faire au chaud. Et puis, on va retourner, ok? Alright. My fingers!
Okay, but I should put these.
Wait, can I get something hot? I need something hot.
Yes, we have some hot stuff.
Yes, give me some hot stuff. What about the fireplace? Can you turn it on? Can you put the fire back on? They're frozen.
You cannot do that.
Yo freeze. Yo freeze. Moi besoin. Moi besoin d'y faire, va me d'y faire.
If I'm a kid, I cannot turn on the fireplace. My foot is frozen.
My foot is fine. It's the hand. Oh, I need some hot breath. Hot breath, please.
Sometimes my breath is hot.
Is it hot right now?
Yes, when I
Can you blow on my hand? Oh, that's better. That's better. Let me touch your hand. Let me touch your hand. Oh, that's better. Oh.
Also my second hand.
Yes, both of them. Oh, that's better.
Sometimes I feel hot. Sometimes I feel cold.
Oh, well, I feel cold right now. Guys, me experience something. Guys, me au freeze. Je vais sentir encore. Comme si pas de 15 qui t'a circulé là d'ailleurs. Oh mon Dieu. Wow. Okay. Oh, so I fini. Ah, pas de snow encore.
Probably got on back to the messenger.
Pas de snow.
I don't know.
Guys, that was fun. That was
Anyway, at least
fun.
you have it.
But ka font snowball. Est-ce que parce que snow a pas thick enough?
Il pas taken off. La semaine passée, elle était en pile. Il était combien fit ça bien haut.
Oh. I couldn't make a big snowball. I made a small one.
Even for soleil, puis les fun. C'est à fort, on va jouer dans le snow.
Okay. I made a very small one. Couldn't make a big one.
I'm going to be là.
Who can set up the cup?
Huh?
I'm ready, guys. I'm pretty bored. Tout bagay sa yo. Bad fin prêt pour Freddy. I'm wearing my niece's boots. Well, there you are, okay, guys. Round 2. Okay, because mboko fait snow angel. From snow angel, I'm vini. But I might need a different jacket because this is a white jacket. Mavle Sally. So I'm going to snow angel. I need a different jacket for that.
Gloves, but that's when your jacket, so.
It's not me. And well, I'm stuck up toujours. Ou de hala me sorti de yo. Brand new jacket. So brand new jacket.
La mapsot de from look expensive.
Yes, I'm good. So madam sa reme look expensive.
Oh, you know I never dress cheap. I cannot do it. Cheap is not for me. That's why the girls got the bonus. Because they got the mommy who's always so expensive.
Exactly. Oh, that's better. See, and then soft. Ou mwen ti bagay ki pou fè même freeze. Mwen ke fè di finger yo oui. Mwen ke fè di wet mwen oui.
Medium, but the girl.
I just want
Let's
the
try it.
things to be faster.
Let's try it.
The mash avec chemise. Okay, we need to go dress. Let's shoot.
Why you so happy? Salvi mo bagay. You win something? Did you win the lottery?
Happy. Oh, I move out. No, I'm back move out. My class is not going from Kala to
For sell guy, exactly.
Yeah, I got to mention.
Exactly.
And they put a nice pool outside.
Oh, the pool that you can only enjoy 2 months.
No, 3.
3? Qu'est-ce ça? Juin, juillet, août?
Juin, juillet, août. Commencement septembre tout, ou finissement septembre.
Tout petit.
Yeah, on can mettre dans middle septembre, on can close pool now.
Oh my God.
Look at You know, go find all my jackets.
Cause I'm jere, guys. Nou te vle pou mbote bagay. Kwa sa ou mdebote ya? Mwen vin kay matan pou mdebote bagay. Sa di panse?
Pas que j'en fais ça, ouais, dans mon vieux, mesdames, yo mettez yo. Et peut-être ça l'aime, moi, yo mal acheté yo tout. Ouais, dis ça pour faire yo. M'di nan mettre pour moi, quitter marrer, pour moi mettre m'chita dans un pays, m'ba kon moun. So for m'habiller, m'ati ki a shopping, c'est the problem in this.
See, that's what I'm trying not to be. Ooh, I feel warm. I think I'm ready for outside. I feel warm. I feel very, very warm. Okay, guys, we'll do round go, okay? Round 2.
Then if you want to look
Are you
like
ready?
Indian,
Are you
put
ready?
a pillow thing on you, you gonna look like Indian outside.
Ooh. No, saya lali.
But we're going to have a sweater on.
Bal, yeah.
Coupe d'un sweater pour changer, ok, tu veux faire ça tout.
Spi, t'allais à moi que frise petite. Hey. Si m'pas entrer en dedans, douette yo, on m'a dit juste couper yo, just like that. Like, it froze. It froze. Does this thing have pockets? It doesn't? I mean, what kind of jacket doesn't have pockets? Like, 2 jackets supposed to get pockets. Wow. Pour faire un jacket, surtout pour Freddy, the baggy poche. Who does this? But I'm waiting for my Theo to show up. He's gonna show up and take the videos. I have a little something. I have a little something. There we go. I have a little something. Yay, I made a snowball. There we go. Guess what? It's a snowball. It's a snowball. It's a snowball. It's a snowball. Wait. Be right back. Coming back, right? It loves me. It loves me. Okay, come here. Videos! Don't switch it. Don't switch it.
Wait.
Come with it. There you go. You're doing a good job. Just like that. Just like that. So, don't switch it.
Well, sorry, my arm gets tired.
Don't switch it. Where can I make a snowman? Where do you think I can make a snowman?
Well, just a lot of
Keep holding. So what do you think we can make? We can make a snow angel, not even a snowman. I just want to have a snow.
I can't do. Are you going to
Hold it up. Yeah. There you go. Keep holding.
My hand is getting tired.
Getting tired? Okay. All right. Then we're gonna stop it then. Okay. I'm gonna take it from you.
Wait a minute.
I'm gonna take it from you. Then you can do
My
something.
grandma! My godmother's here! This is my godmother!
Hi! Why grandma stay so far? Is she gonna walk all the way to the house?
Yes. My grandma.
Mommy say I should zip this up. She's right, because I'm getting cold here. Ooh, the snow is getting thicker.
Okay.
It's getting thicker. That's grandma and grandpa.
Yes.
So where can we make a snow angel?
Welcome to Michigan. Where are you from?
Florida.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's sunny right now.
My daughter's down there. She says it's 80 degrees in Florida.
I bet it is.
We can see our footprint!
Yes, we can. Why don't you put the car
Because
so...
we always leave early, then people come in, then everybody has to move their car because we want to go
My
home.
footprint.
I see, that's why.
My footprint is in the media.
I was going to pull up, let him get out, but he needs to walk too. How long are you staying?
Until Wednesday.
Oh. you excited?
He's been so happy.
I'm trying to make a snowball.
It's hard because the snow is not thick enough. You got it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Here, Jim, can you get in?
I made a snowball.
You did? That was not a snowball. Try again. My little cameraman be tired. Your hands tired?
Well,
You gonna go back inside?
no, the doorbell doesn't work.
There you go. Okay, I think it's good. I think we're good. Don't touch nothing.